Hello guys, today we'll be solving question 448, that is find all numbers that have disappeared in an array. Question statement says given an array nums of n integers where nums of I is in the range of 1 to n. You have to return an array of all the integers in the range 1 to n that do not appear in nums. So question is key, say we'll be having an array and the array should be having all numbers in the range 1 to n. Whatever numbers that are not there in this array, that we need to put into another array and return that array. There are a lot of approaches. Firstly, what we can do is we'll create a vector that we'll be returning, say name, I've named it result. Now what we can do is we can create an unordered set, so that all the numbers that are there, that since they are repeating also, we'll just have one like copy of each number in it, so we'll know what number is not there. So we'll see how do we do that. But what we can do is we can create an unordered set. Say we'll name the set S, and what we'll do is we'll put all the numbers in it. So that will be numbers from nums begin to nums end. So what has happened now is this set S has all numbers and there's no duplicate in that, so we're sure what number is there and what isn't. Now what we can do is we can iterate a for loop that will go from, say I is 1 to, we need n numbers, right? So that will be the size of n is what the size of numbers, so that will be I less than equal to num size, and obviously I will increase. So why we have made this for loop is so that we'll have every integer, that is from 1 to n, we'll have every integer. Okay, so what we can do now is we can check if our this set S contains this integer I. Then what we can do, we don't need to do anything because that is there in the array. So then we can continue, and if it is not there, then what we can do is we can add that element into our vector that we have created. So as a result dot push back, we'll push back I into that. So what we've done is we've created set S. We are iterating to all numbers till n. If the number is there, then well and good, continue. Or else what we can do is we can add that number to our array that we want, or our vector. And then so what is left is to return that vector. Now let's run it to see if it is working or no. It is, as it should, and let's submit it and see what happens. Yeah, it works. So we obviously have a high runtime because we are using our so we're creating a set and using that approach, which will use time complexity on. But yeah, that's it. Thank you.